You can see the daily snapshot. I mean, right now, if you guys see at the top here, these are our weekly breakdowns. We just did $62,000 last week. Yeah, I mean, it's a complete no-brainer, guys.
It's been pretty incredible. Obviously, again, like this last week, you know.
That's a great week, my
stuff here. You're not throwing us into the ocean and being like, hey, learn to fish. No. Here's, look at that fishing rod. Look at that technique. This is not a model that you're giving us that's unproven. Yeah. The success has been laid before us.
You basically had $1,000 a day on the third, just off by a couple bucks there. And yeah, and then today, like we're just getting into it, you're already at almost $600. So that's, we're doing this, pretty much, I think here in the morning, right over there still. So that's super, super cool. So what would you say to somebody that is not in Commission Hero yet? Somebody that's, obviously has heard about Commission Hero, they're thinking about it. We have a lot of people that, of course, are always thinking about it. Like, what would be your advice to somebody that's not in Commission Hero yet, but is thinking about joining?
What are you waiting for? I just told you I made $600 walking around a lake. Like, I don't know what to tell you.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Robbie Blanchard here, and if you're on this page, it's because you want to make $1,000 a day online, and I don't blame you. And the best part is, guys, you are going to learn exactly how to do just that on today's training. So make sure you go ahead and click that button to register for today's training. Just fill out your information and you'll be able to get into the actual training. So make sure you do that, guys. But before you do, right, I just want to share with you exactly why you need to register for today's training. And the reason is simple, guys. If you tried other things in the past when it comes to having success online, maybe you tried e-commerce, drop shipping, other things like that, and you failed, that's okay. Honestly, it's not your fault, because it is very hard to have success with those types of methods of making money online. And that's why this system, which I call Commission Hero, works so well, because we literally get rid of all the barriers of resistance to success, right? So a lot of times people think you have to have your own product to have success online, or they think you have to have an email list, or they think you have to have a website. Well, I'm here to tell you right now, you don't need any of those things, guys. So with this system, which we call Commission Hero, and what you'll learn on today's training, you don't need to have any experience whatsoever, right? You don't need to have your own website. You don't need to have your own product, right? You can still have amazing success and generate hundreds of dollars per day and thousands of dollars per day. And the way we do it is with this very, very simple 3-step system, which I'll share with you on today's training. So this is the way it works, guys. Over the past 5 years, I've developed this system, and it's taken me personally from being a struggling gym owner with no online business, living paycheck to paycheck, to be where I am today, the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the entire world, having generated millions of dollars per year online using the same exact system, which I'm gonna teach you guys today. And also, in addition to that, it doesn't just work for me, I've also helped out nearly 8,000 people from all over the world, from Brazil, from Iceland, Ireland, Australia, New Zealand, all over the world, have success with the same system. And now those students are making hundreds and even thousands of dollars a day and more with this Commission Hero system. As a matter of fact, I want you to hear from some of those students right now.
And that really worked for me, because as I can show you over here, within a couple of weeks, I had my first $1,000 day, and it was not only $1,000 of sales, but also $1,000 of profit.
And does it feel surreal now, like when you're looking at your account and seeing numbers like this, or are you kind of used to it now?
No, 100% surreal to just kind of be having money coming in. So as well as this personal best is the 1,000, my previous weekly one was 2,000.
Yeah.
And this week, of course, with these numbers, it's gone all the way up to 5,000. So just knowing that ClickBank are going to pay me $5,000 in like 2 weeks' time, it's just bonkers.
What I truly love about this business model is how I'm now able to make what I used to make in a week, in a day, and what I used to make in a month, in a week. And I'm now on my way to make what I used to make in the whole year in a single month.
Within 3 weeks, I'm making now $2,000 to $4,000 profit a day. And last week I made over $14,000.
As you can see over here, it's about started from less than 1,000 per day, and then across the $1,000 mark, and now I'm at $2,000 per day. So Robbie is really one of a kind, because he is always there for you. He will give you the answers that you need.
Here $10,000 day on Friday, and in 1 week, last week I did $56,000. When you need something, you can ask in the group, and you usually get an answer or help within hours. And that's fantastic. It's a feeling. It's a great community. You don't feel alone. You never feel alone. You work together to your success.
Dude, that's awesome. And this is pretty cool, actually. I love to see this because, like, you know, man, you've been pretty consistent, like every single day. Like, you know, it's like, you know, $200, $280 on one day, and then it went to $400, then $800, then, you know, you get a couple of $800 days, you get the $900 day like you were talking about. Like, what would you say to somebody that is not in Commission Hero yet?
What are you waiting for?
So you can see this Commission Hero system works better than ever before, guys. As a matter of fact, this has been one of the best years we've ever had using this system. And I know it's gonna get better and better every single year because most people are spending more time online, which allows us to have more success with this system. That's why I'm so excited to bring this training to you guys today. So here's what I want you to do. If you haven't done it already, go ahead and click the button and register for today's training. And so that way you can get your seat saved. We only have a certain amount of spots available for this training. So make sure you guys register for it right now, so you can claim your time spot, and that way you're gonna get all the information you need to have success. Now, when you're in the training, it's super important you take a lot of notes, you pay attention, because there's gonna be a lot of amazing value, amazing information that's gonna help you have success, so that way you can be on your way to making $100 a day, $1,000 a day, or more in the next 30 days or so. So guys, if you're really, really serious about wanting to have success online and you wanna become one of my next success stories, then go ahead and click the link, register for my free training, which takes place today, so that way you can be on pace to make hundreds and even thousands of dollars per day and change your life forever after you watch this training, guys. So that's it for me. Go ahead, click the link right now, and I'll see you on the inside.